we've come.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlogs. Hi! We're excited. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah. And as you can see, Elijah has grown out. Muffy's here, Iron's here, Elijah with his beard now.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, we're excited. Kind of cried and now makeup came off.
Shape again.
Yeah. You excited, Muffy?
I'm very excited. We cried like babies.
Yeah.
But it's fine.
That's fine. That's girls have a nice
part of the job description.
Jingle!
Yo!
Say hi to the vlogs for today.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Very hot. I'm burning. I'm red.
You look so handsome, my cousin.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's Winter's dad.
And then there's this one. Serenity and Harm. Say hi to the vlogs. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, do you want to blow bubbles to the vlogs? Go, blow, blow, blow. Show us. Ready, go. Wow, dude. Hi, Linda. Sorry. Hi, guys. I'm the bride's dad and family.
And then those four They'll try blowing this one?
Blow it. Yay. Wow, I missed it. Hello. Mom, look, Serenity's right here.
Bubbles.
And if we just have the pathway clear, guys? Sorry. Yeah, so when I push down your feet and stick my phone stuff.
Mom.
But if we Yeah, all up. Yeah, if it's all up.
Hi. Hi, cousin. Look at them. Nina. Hi. Hi, guys. Rena.
We're doing 2 lines, everyone. If you have bubbles, 2 lines just for Anna and Mahonirae. Just walking there and sit here.
Hi. What are we doing?
Bubbles.
Yeah, we're doing bubbles.
Bubbles.
Okay. Show me. Wow. Professional
Oh, here we are. Look at how far we've come, my love. I mean every word I say. And even though we have had our days, God only knows what He has in store for us. I promise to be the man and everything else you'll ever need. Yeah, to the day that I die, you still make me shine. You make my heart stop for a second. And every minute, every hour that you're not by my side.
What is that? Twin, where have you been? Hello, welcome to my vlog. This is Lona.
Come again.
And she's doing her face again. Smile. You have to say to the vlog.
It's very hot.
You have to say to the vlog.
I want to leave.
Yeah, I want to go swim, you know?
It's hot.
It's really hot.
I want to jump in the end. You want to jump in?
So like our limit comes in 15 minutes. We haven't even started outside of the family yet.
Nah, it's the
Interesting.
camera focusing on the water drops on your face. Can you watch that after before you come talk to the camera, please? Oh, did you guys come in the limo?
Talk about that stuff. Bags.
How does it feel being a groomsman?
Wait, sorry. Pause. Charlie, you got my phone?
Yeah.
Just in case you called.
It's hot.
You don't mind?
So what do you have to say to the vlog?
Hurry up.
Oh wow, so insightful. You want to say something? You want to say something to the vlog? No. Do you love the vlog? Yeah. You love charity? Yeah.
We've got the groom.
That's good.
Your veil's real messy. Yeah. Sometimes you get a veil that doesn't match your dress and you're like, look at this. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Oh,
Same thing, guys.
the same hongi.
Hey, I'm a Maui girl. Talking about the tangata whenua. Beautiful, guys. And we are going. 3, 2, 1.
And then just up here.
Honey, yep. Holding right there, guys.
I need everyone on the stage here. That's a big smile, that's and I need you outside.
Yep, I'm going.
Oh wait, I need to not be in the mirror.
Oh. No, just everyone. Like, this is a great video.
No, it's me. I zoomed in. That's so
Photographer too.
Photographer 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's such a nice color. Dang. No, it's in the car. What are you doing? Oh my gosh! Background! Go! Go! Background!
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Right.
Inconvenient.
Oh, don't for this lady! Are we swimming or where?
The bubble's like, no.
And now we're going. Where are we going? We're going to the chapel because no one wants us to be great. Yes. They don't want to take photos of us or anything. They just want us to do all the work.
Wow, look at that camera. I wonder how much the camera itself costs.
So you're going to go for the fish, and then Charles is going to drop your veil. So it's sort of get a cute little drip. Back a bit more. Right hand and go for hand.
Breathe it in, suck it in.
Beautiful girls, and we're going 3, 2, 1.
Huyo. Nice also. Wow.
Hey guys, so here's our ride for the day. As you can see,
Hi Steve. Thank you Steve for driving us. That's our chauffeur. So yeah, them two are still getting photos done. Kama here is Trio Pokoi, Barateki. Hi everyone.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. She walks like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah.
Charity. We honestly don't want to make these videos, eh?
yeah, no, I don't want to make it solid.
But anyways, we're here at the Botanical Gardens.
And it's a beautiful view, as you can see, a lot of greenery.
Look,
brownery,
that one right there.
and purpley.
That's a tree.
So hope you guys enjoy the view. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah.
You guys stay there. We'll get everyone in. But you guys want to stay on the forward?
Who cares about? Oh.
Change it.
Okay,
Yeah,
hiya.
closer to your nose.
Wait, what do you want me to do? Like, take photo here? Okay, do it again.
You want to leg upwards? Yeah, there we go.
There we go. Very nice. Wow.
You grab.
What was that also?
I wish I was getting paid taking this.
Yeah, here we are in the bonsai garden, alright? Yeah. Amazing. You got Jay and Anna on the bridge. Take a photographer. Oh, wow.
We are taking what is called a wide shot. A wide shot is when
Yeah.
you want a picture of everything in the surroundings. So as you can see, the lens is changed to that white big one. And yeah, come back for more.
And we're back.
Okay, guys. Yeah, just directing traffic right now.
Yeah, here we are with the newlyweds. Still taking videos. We got the bridesmaids over there. Wow. There's Junior and Hiram. Grooms. Yeah, really. Let's lip sync. Oh my gosh, Joe. Why are you doing this to me? Honestly. So let's lip sync. Do you want a lip sync? Or lip read? Read lips. Ready?
Oh my gosh, babe, look at that. It's the.
Look, it's a fish.
You have to take on it.
Oh. Yeah, everyone's dead. Everyone's tired. We're tired. Bad.
Okay guys, we are just doing our final touches of the wedding. Oh nice. My mother is doing here. No square tables. Okay, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
What are you stressing about, Mom?
Stress free. Never stress. Only stress when Charity stress me.
I know stress. I don't stress you. I don't stress Dad.
Yeah, I am.
No.
I am.
Why are you stressed?
Oh, I thought you asked why what I'm stressed. I'm stressed now.
Huh?
I'm stressing.
Oh, you're. Oh my goodness. You're in distress.
My interstress.
Yeah.
I'm not an interstate. I'm from Brisbane.
Hi.
Interstate? Interstate?
Mom, be careful. Oh. À, lại má ơi. Yeah. I can wait. That looks nice. it's, it's not your wedding. Oh, that's nice. Auntie said it. Yeah. Hello, lady in blue, lady in blue, lady in blue.
And I'd like to welcome you all here. But before we get started, it's first of all I'll introduce our DJ, who's DJ Ilchase. Thank you very much. Shall we please give him a round of applause? All right, so this is the best part of the evening. This is the introduction of the bridal party. So introducing first and foremost, we have Irene and Cardinia. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you all to be upstanding? Now for the couple of the hour, please give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Mahonirae. It is my privilege to be the MC for the evening. My name is Tul. Once again, I'm Jared's first cousin, named after my uncle Tul. And I'd like to officially welcome you here tonight. On behalf of Anna and Jared, I'd like to extend their gratitude and appreciation for being able to be in attendance tonight to enjoy and to celebrate their special union. I'd like to also acknowledge the bishops and councillors who are here with us today. I'd also like to acknowledge friends and family who have travelled from afar. I know we have family travelling from Samoa, from New Zealand, and from the great state of New South Wales, who currently are the state of origin champions. Before we continue, there are just a couple of... also, during the Siva Samoa, there will be no money being permitted to be put on the actual bride or the groom. If you'd like to gift the bride and the groom, the wishing well is just at the front entry as well.
Welcome. You're not eating? Say hi to my vlogs. Hi everyone, who's in the chapel?
First to be the MC.
Yeah, this is the first time in class. Hi Auntie. My auntie looks so beautiful. It's a video. It's a video.
Hello.
It's a video. Say hi. Hello. Oh, hello. So guys, this is the ice. Hello.
I'm right.
No, it's fine. You're eating the healthy stuff. Okay, guys, let's get ready. Do our... Oh no! Like as in like let's. Yeah.
Have my talk.
Cover. Put it to her waist. That one. She looked better with the up to the waist. Up. Oh no, down. Yeah, there to cover her tummy. Hey, she actually went down. Koya went down.
Those were her shoes last night.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay, this is my academy, guys. You guys are my academy right now. And then this is girls. Nice. See, I love that. That's so cute. No, not yet. One more time and then Se'e. So Nina, you call out Se'e when you guys do it. Yeah? Nina will call out Se'e or I'll call out Se'e. And then Lue. Nice. And then you guys go back. Yeah. That's no, not you. Come at the front. No, you come at the front. Go down. You're on the floor. Go down on the floor. Do your thing. Yeah. Bua. Who's ready? Join in. Little ones. Oh, it's alright. We'll fix it after.
Back of Charlie's vlog, we got to dance. Filling up bit nervous. Our girls,
Hey guys! Hey Chinese vlog!
Yeah, I was ready. How many times have you practiced this?
We're ready and I'm sorry.
Well, 2 times? You guys are gonna be right. I believe.
There once was a boy who loved fishing. Little did he know, a change of new waters of Brisbane will bring the biggest catch yet. Not long after this fishing boat moved to Brisbane, a beautiful Samoan hero or flower caught his attention. Sometime after their love bloomed into a beautiful union.
I'm so sad. Tu sabes.
One more round of applause for the couple and the Moana family, please.
Great job.
At this time, I'd like to call upon the bride's parents, Brother and Sister Peterson, to share some thoughts about the theme.
Firstly, we would like to congratulate the newly wedded couples, Brother Mahonirae and Sister Anna Louise Moana. How about a round of applause? Sorry, I got my assistant here. So she just has to make sure that I'm okay up here. I might need some more lollies out on the table, please. And Anna is the eldest daughter of our 5 children. We have lived and raised our beautiful children here for more than 22 years in the Redlands. And she has done all of her education from primary school to university. Anna is smart. And she's one of those that can fight for her right. And sometimes difficult to say no. Either her way or the highway. Let me share you some experience with Anna. I told Anna not to worry about chasing boys. And I said to my daughters, you don't have to chase boys. Boys have to chase you. Last year, Anna wanted to move out of home to Mahonirae. She applied for a job in the mines and she got the job. Then she drove to Mahonirae. Least that I know that Mahonirae was already working in Mackay as a youth worker. So I don't know if Anna was chasing Mahonirae or the other way around. Then she rang me and Mum and said, I wanted to come home because I'm getting homesick. I was going to fly up to Mahonirae to bring her home, but Anna told me that Mahonirae would bring her home. I allowed Mahonirae to drive my daughter home from Mahonirae on the condition that he has to sleep different rooms. I trust my daughter. And Mahonirae is that they're good kids. We are one of those parents who let our children make their own choices and hopefully embrace that they do what is right. And today, we have witnessed their temple sealing in marriage. 3 things that I learned when I got married. There's 3 rings. First ring, engagement ring. Second ring, wedding ring. And the third ring is the supper ring. I have got that last ring. What about marriage? Still suffering. Mahonirae, I hope you look after my daughter. Please don't hurt my daughter. And if somehow you have enough with Anna, please call me and I'll come and pick her up. Or your parents, because I know your parents. Even though my son GJ has already moved into and take over your room in our house. So I don't think GJ were happy to you coming back, moving you back. And now you look after Mahonirae, take care and love him. You have been taught well in the gospel. And we can't say anything else. Your parents have taught you well. And the people out in this room that they hear, they have made the impact on your life. To the newlyweds, this goes for the newlyweds, and also acknowledge people who are not here today to celebrate your wedding. And to the bride and groom.
Yay!
Yes. Okay, I'm going to hand over the time to Thank you very much, Brother and Sister Peterson. I'd like to call upon the parents of the groom, Brother and Sister Samoan.
Hey, hey! Yo ho! Hey, hey ho!
Like any time I'll be in the house, he will come around and give me a hug. Hi, Mom. Or like our room is always in the front. Anytime he goes out or in, he will come in the room, give me a hug, give me a kiss before he goes past the room. So those are the things that I can share with you, how I love my son. But Peterson, don't worry. We will be with Mahonirae and Anna. We will be around to protect them.
Say a few words. I'm going to write ki ai le kere kere. Fia fese karmai. Sememo ba ai. I want to say something. Some experience from the past when we went to do our tax return at the Hannon's office. So I saw this beautiful girl there with a big smile. When I saw her, I said to myself, that's Jared's Kenyan. I said, wow, it's good for Jared. So, and that's it, that's what I said. I didn't say anything to anyone. And then 2 months later, she went to Papua New Guinea with my younger son for basketball. And Jared, I saw Jared's, chains with nice clothes, and then I asked him, where are you going? Go for my date. Who's that girl? He replied, it's Anna. What? So another week, they still overseas. So he came to me and said, I'll call Kate. Is that the same girl? Yes, same girl. Then 3 or 2 months later, I heard Charity talking to her mom about them. But I didn't even say any words about that. So last week, on our Monday or Sunday, just past in our work family council, I shared that experience with Mahonirae. Today, congratulations, Anna and Jared and Mahonirae. Thanks for making that things happen. It's just like a dream to me that's come true. Thank you so much. We love you. We are here to support you. And I say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
you go with the surge of the brown sadness, and I have to sit down for a while. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering the world. I'm glad whenever I can share the laughter, that funny little girl slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to go one day without you. Fill me up just thinking about you. I never know a day without my
Everyone, it's an absolute joy and honour to be here with you all to celebrate the union of Mahonirae. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Diana Schwenke, and I'm Anna's older sister. With quite a large age gap between the two of us, I have been really blessed to be part of Anna's life journey, including witnessing many milestones. I remember when she started school and would spend countless evenings reading over her assignments. I remember also when she got her first job, her driver's license, got into uni, received her endowment, and now to be right here by her side on this momentous occasion where we celebrate her Mahonirae sealing and marriage is an absolute privilege that I am grateful for. Anna is one who pours her heart and soul into everything that she does, and that includes her witty comebacks and her boisterous laugh. She pulls through for the ones that she loves and cares about, and I have no doubt that she will do the same for Mahonirae and all those that he cares about. If there's one thing our family knows, it's that Anna can at times be quite indecisive. But ever since I started hearing about a guy named Mahonirae, I can tell you that Anna, not once has she ever swayed on how she's felt about him. Mahonirae makes her smile in ways that I've not yet seen from her before. She has found her forever love, and I couldn't be any more happier for her. Mahonirae found an absolute gem, and it's my hope on behalf of all of her siblings that you love her and cherish her and care for her. To end this, I'd like to propose a toast if everyone could raise their glasses. Just a toast to our bride and groom who have found their forever love. To the bride and groom. Woo!
Alofas, good evening everyone. Those that know me, my name is Elijah, and I am the very proud younger brother of Mahonirae. I have the honor of standing here as his best man, and let me tell you, it's not an easy task to sum up all the things I could say about Mahonirae in just one speech. Fortunately for me, I was strictly on 5 minutes or less. Enough time for everyone to please fill your cups. But if there's one thing you need to know, is that my brother has always been someone I looked up to. Growing up, he was my role model. My brother is the definition of caring and loving. He's always been the one I could turn to for advice, support, and sometimes even my personal bank account. No matter what I've needed, he's been there without hesitation, whether it's a listening ear or a helping hand. His loyalty is unmatched. He's the kind of person who stands by you through thick and thin. He's not just a brother, but a constant source of strength, always putting others before himself and making sure those he loves are taken care of. He's also known with those who see him as that guy that's always smiling or laughing at everything and anything. Now, growing up together, our family would always play sport together in the backyard. We loved our sport. For me and also Mahonirae, we were both born and raised up with backyard footy. But getting to actually play proper club rugby didn't come easily, especially not with our dad around. Yeah, our dad loved rugby, and every time he wanted to play, he would join in. But it wasn't just a casual kick around. Nah. Dad would take over, giving us his expert advice, running drills, and showing us how it's done. Yeah, he wouldn't let us play club footy. We got to the point where we were like, if we're ever going to actually play rugby for real, and we had to take matters into our own hands. And by matters, I mean, so one day my brother and I came up with a plan. We asked our man that if we could tuck you down, surely he'll let us play footy. Mind you, we were about 8 and 10 at the time, and could never take Dad down, almost seeming impossible. And as soon as we asked, Dad had this massive grin on his face, probably thinking he'll show us how it's done once again. But this time we were ready. On the count of 3, we both ran at him full force, and boom, we took him down. The look on his face was priceless. After that, he finally let us join a real rugby club, and the rest of us is history. We played many seasons together as brothers, won many medals, played nationals, etc. Everything we did was together. We went out together, we moved up here to Brisbane alone together, we got our fair share of hidings together, and at the moment we're getting fat together.
Oh.
But that's the kind of bond my brother and I have always had growing up. Both on and off the field was together. And now he's found his perfect forever teammate in life, Anna. Anna, you joined the best team possible, and together I know you tackle life's challenges with the same strength and determination you've always had. I so know as the parent in this marriage, you'll be a key. So let's raise our glasses to Oshimoni and his incredible new teammate. Here's to a life with love, laughter, and plenty of winning moments together. To Mahonirae and Anna Wama. Cheers.
Cheers.
First and foremost, I'm so grateful for the opportunity that we have to all be together. I'm grateful to our Heavenly Father for this special day and that I'm able to stand here in front of all of you with my new beautiful wife. I'm just full of gratitude at the moment. So grateful for our families and our friends that have helped out with so much to make tonight happen. I'm so grateful for the Petersons and their family, and also for my side of the family as well for coming out, putting in some long hours in planning. And yeah, I just want to give you a round of applause. If we can all give them a round of applause. And also I'm grateful to my cousin Toom for taking the call to MC for our wedding. If we can give him a round of applause too. Thanks, Susan. And last one to my also on the stage, DJ Uchase. Please give him a round of applause. Just looking back at what Brother Peterson said, I think it was Anna that was chasing me. I chased her after we got together to Mahonirae. But yeah, I'm just gonna pass the microphone over to my wife.
It's a bit weird hearing those words, wife, but I guess it's a good thing to look forward to. But I just want to echo the words of Mahonirae and say how grateful we are for each and every one of you that have made time out of your day, traveling here, whether that be overseas or locally or within Australia. We're so grateful to have you here to celebrate our love. We're also grateful to those that helped set up. Massive thank you to Charity and also Mahonirae and his family, and also our own family for helping set up this beautiful hall, because it wouldn't be here without those people. As Dad said, the village. But I guess really looking forward to our journey together, and to give you a little bit of an insight of how we got together. Mahonirae was right. I was actually the one that chased him. I'm not afraid to admit it because, like Dad said, when I want something, I go and get it. And I guess we can give a round of applause to that one. But I guess that's exactly what happened. So last year, I joined a YSA choir, and mysteriously Mahonirae joined one because Sister Charity tricked him into joining. And as soon as I saw Mahonirae, I was like, man, he's cute. So of course I started coming to the choir practice. I'd like to say, it was for service, but I think the other part of me was because I saw Mahonirae and I wanted to get to know him. So there's been quite a few times where I'd tag along with Charity just because I'd hoped that Mahonirae was there. But I'm so grateful for the long time that we've had getting to know each other, because I know that we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for that. And as Mahonirae's mum said, God is in the details of everything, and I know that the reason why we're together is because Heavenly Father wanted it. And so Mahonirae, even though you didn't ask me to be your girlfriend, I'm so grateful you asked me to be your wife. But I guess I am the funny one. Anyways. But as it echoed from everyone, thank you so much for making the time to come here. We appreciate every one of you. And I guess let's all raise a toast to our guests. So thank you for coming, because we wouldn't be here without you guys. So you guys can grab a cup or flowers even. Let's all raise our glasses to the village. So, to the village. Village. Cheers. Thank you so much, everyone.
Mrs. Moanga for their first dance.
i wa whai. Ai o ke whae ke pia mari e mo tau kāna i awa ma whāron. Ngā kōrere wā, ku wā ngai whigoka rea kāwha kama ngai roa i vai ngasaria i whanea ruko. Wana so ma whawai moi. Ia wa kingi wa kāu o mai.
Brothers and sisters, we have reached the conclusion of our program. Once again, on behalf of the bride and the groom, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you for attending today. Thank you for enjoying yourselves, and thank you for playing a small part in the beginning of the journey of Mr. and Mrs. Moana. I'd like to call upon Bishop Tungia to come and provide a closing prayer, but also the DJ will be playing until 9 o'clock. Thank you very much.
Si yo le salgo por la izquierda, se va para la derecha. No sé lo que le pasa, conmigo ella no quiere bailar. Piqui, 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 piqui.